Alright, what's up YouTube? Here we are, we're in the Snow Trooper Sequoia. It's a white 2018, but this is going to be for any of you that have a 2008 to 2020 and you want a brake controller. So I have the Tekonsha P3, which is going to be your best one, and I wanted to find a way to mount it without having it be permanent. I don't tow that much. Generally, I'm going to be towing twice a year. Right now, I got a trailer I got to go do some construction work with. So what I found, a lot of people will try and fit the thing in here, and it just doesn't fit very well. Over here, you can't really reach to it. So what I ended up doing is making this mount. This is the mount that comes with the Tekonsha. Yeah, it's ghetto, but it works. So what you have is a bar. You bend it however you get it. Basically, it was just a L bracket or something, and I cut it to size, made it as low profile as possible. This is the mount that came with the Tekonsha brake controller. Put a little double stick removable command strip on there to hold some felt to not screw up the dash. But if you look right down here, there is actually a 10 mil bolt, and you can unbolt that and then screw this plate in, and then this bad boy mounts right here, and it's removable. Doesn't have to put any holes in your dash, and if you ever sell the car, you can pull it out, and it's good to go. So I'll show you the before and after. This just stays tucked up in here, so I just come in here and pull it down, and we got our wiring system for it. It's already run over to the I think I paid $9 for the adapter because there's already a plug and play harness that goes with this car. So we're going to take off this 10 mil bolt right here, there, and put the controller on. I'll show what it looks like. All right, I don't need to show you guys how to screw in one 10 mil bolt. We're all adults here, right? So there it is. You can see it hugs the dash. I mean, you can bend whatever bar you want, gets in there, and as you sit in the car, it's not really in the way at all. You can tighten those side bolts and move it however you like, but there's your brake controller plugged in, ready to go, and you don't have to affect your dash. All right, hope this helps. Like and subscribe.